How to exchange USD to Canadian dollar on TD Bank. Log into your TD Bank account and select Payments or Transfers. Choose Foreign Exchange from the left submenu. Select the From account to withdraw funds in US dollars. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from USD to Canadian dollar. Select the currency you wish to use for the exchange transfer. Review the information and confirm the real-time exchange rate. Click Finish to accept the rate and proceed with the transfer. Wait for the confirmation number indicating successful transaction completion. Funds are now available in the selected Canadian dollar account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.